Here I have Nokia C20, and today I'm going to show you how to remove battery from this device. So to do this, firstly we'll have to remove back cover from it. You have the hedge here, so somewhat like this you can remove it with the use of some force. That's how you can do it. And after you remove back cover, here you can remove the battery, just like this. And as you can see, here I have my Nokia and here I have my battery. So let's put it back in, put back cover back on, and hold down power key to turn our device back on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.